Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve m root m equal 8 and we have to find the value of m. So let's start with today's video solution. So m root m equal 8. M root m equal 8. I can write it as 2 power 3. So this m, I can write it as root m times root m. So root m times root m, and there is already root m equal 2 times 2 times 2. So if we compare both sides, the value of root m is 2. And if root m is equals to, so to calculate the value of m, I am going to do squaring both sides. So with the help of the square root removes. So m equal 2 square, which is 4. So the value of m is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.